This tutorial will show you how to easily create a Mailgun account and seamlessly connect it to your Loyalty Digital Cards account for distributing digital loyalty cards to your clients in 3 minutes. To access the Mailgun homepage, simply enter the URL mailgun.com and navigate to app.loyaltydigital.cards in your web browser's address bar at the same time. Simply click on the Get Started for Free button. Fill in your full name. Enter your company name. Provide your work email address. Enter and confirm the password. Uncheck the option to add payment information at this time. Complete the verification to prove that you are not a robot by clicking on the checkbox. Click on the Create Account button. To complete your Mailgun registration, log into your email account and perform the verification process. Open the email and verify your email address to proceed with the Mailgun account verification. Simply click on Verify your email address. Complete the verification process by clicking on the checkbox to confirm that you are not a robot. Select your country code. Click on Enter the value that was sent to you via SMS into the designated input field. Here is the main dashboard. The first thing you need to do is to create API key for integration. Click on the Create API Key button located at the bottom of the page to generate your private API key. Provide a clear name so that we know for which application the key was generated. Then click on the Create Key button. Copy the generated key. Navigate to the app.loyaltydigital.cards dashboard. Look for the tab bar labeled Mailings and click on it. To access the Mailgun settings, simply click on the Settings tab in the top bar. Select the Connect Account button located within the Mailgun section box. Paste the API key that was copied from your Mailgun account and navigate to the Mailgun dashboard to copy domain. Copy your domain. Enter the domain in the corresponding field. Provide the email address that you prefer to distribute the installation link for issued digital loyalty cards. Enter the sender name that will be shown in your email. Leave region in which the mail domain was created US by default, and then click Connect. If you didn't get any error messages, it means your Mailgun account has been successfully integrated. Now you can send issued digital loyalty cards to your clients. If you encounter any error messages, feel free to reach out to our customer support team. We are available 24/7 to assist you with any issues you may have. In the following tutorial, we will demonstrate how to make an email template and send your digital loyalty cards to your existing clients. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Stay motivated, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting features and strategies to level up your business. Take care and see you soon.